Trust me, I believe you are all doing well. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the differences between package and dependency, and I believe there's a lot of confusion everyone is having regarding the differences between dependency and package. So, in this video, I'm going to just basically explain the differences, and I believe you are going to understand it better. So, package a collection of files that provide a specific functions or feature for a software. So, anytime you have a collection of files or specific functions or features for a location that provide a specific function or features for the software you're programming or the software you're building, you can call it a package. A package are usually managed using the package manager. So whenever you see somebody installing something using the npm package or the instead of npm, some people use the yarn. So those all these two are package managers. We have other one, and then but mostly you see people using the npm and yarn to manage those packages. So they are all packages. A package can be installed locally or globally. So talking about that, you can install a package globally or locally. So when you can learn about npm or yarn to know how to do that. We have dependency. Dependency can be a package or a library that your project relies on. So when you are building a React project, trust me, that React you want to use is a dependency of your project. And when you are doing a Node.js course and you need to install Express, you need to use npm to install Express. So Express in that particular moment is what is your dependency. So it doesn't matter, and whenever you just needed a package or a library that your project relies on, you can call it a dependency. So that means a package can also be a dependency of a project, but it's not necessarily or every package is a dependency. Not every package is a dependency, but some packages are dependency of your project because you needed them before your project could work properly. And then dependencies are typically listed in a project configuration file. So when you just check your package.json file, at the bottom you see dependencies. That means, and they were going to list all the available dependencies in your project. I believe if you don't know much about this, you need to take a project on maybe dependencies, or let me learn more about npm. So that's just it. And basically that's all, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.